Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Realty. Today I'm here to check up on the Britton build job that's in Mustang Lakes in Salina. They have done quite a bit of work since the last time I was here, so I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna take a look. Awesome, oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, everything is completed on the exterior. They've got landscaping in. It looks so pretty, so pretty. Okay, let's get inside. So I'm seeing they do have some trim up in the garage, still needs to be painted. Okay, we'll go in through the front door. That was a 3-tandem garage, 3-car tandem, guys. Okay, the door, oh, it's so pretty. And they've got your floors in. So they're covered up to protect them, but you can get an idea of the color that they chose. You've got an office immediately to the right as you come in. I love the doors without the cross pattern inside there. That's really nice. Pop-up ceiling. Straight in, we have beautiful 2-story entryway. I'm in love with that light fixture. Awesome. Okay. Also to the right, we've got a nice dining room. They're working on trim work now. Looks really good. Hi. Then there's a full bath over here, and then you have a bedroom up front. They've got carpet in. That looks really good. Continuing in, got over here, the lights are on as you can tell, so they actually need the AC running and working to put in the floors. So on this super hot day in Texas, this feels really nice. Nice little mud bench there. Got tile in the laundry room. Cabinets and everything have been in here, but this looks really great. Okay, continuing on. Now we're in the beautiful 2-story living room. Love the tall ceiling. And then this opens up to your kitchen. I love the archways too, it's really nice. A lot of builders are doing the square entry from room to room, which is, I mean, that's more of a modern look, but I'm more classic, so I like the rounded. But kitchen looks really good. They still need to do the vent hood or paint it, but beautiful. Looks like your appliances, well, no, they're not in, sorry. I thought your cooktop was in, but it's not. So you'll have double oven there and a microwave, and then the refrigerator goes here. You do have a little butler's area, cabinets and counters, and then your pantry is there. Okay, continuing into the eat-in kitchen area. It's a nice big space. You could fit a really good sized table here. And then we'll check out the patio last. But fireplace. It's a cast stone, so no tile, guys, just cast stone, which it's nice. I mean, it's got a porous outside. You could paint it if you wanted to. That looks really pretty. And then back over here, tucked in the corner, is the master, and I really like that there's a little hallway, and it doesn't just open up into the master. You're gonna have a window out to the back. You have a double door entry into your master bedroom. Beautiful pop-up ceilings. And the carpet is a Berber. I don't know if you can tell, there is a pattern there. Little squares, it's really nice. So that's an upgraded carpet. And then the master bath. That's a showstopper. Beautiful tile work. You got your soaker tub and then the shower behind. You do have separate vanities. Got the framed mirrors in and the light fixtures. That looks beautiful. Lots of storage, and there's a lot of room in between the tub and this vanity. Really like these countertops. Those are pretty. You have a separate water closet, and then the other vanity is just across. And the shower's really nice. It's a beautiful shower. It looks really good. You do have a linen closet there, and then the master closet. Now you can see it with lights. So I love Britton's closets. I know I said this on the last video, but they're so thoughtfully done. and they have a very custom feel to them. And then you even have some storage on this side. So up here, just to point it out, that is your low voltage panel. So your high voltage panel, which is all your breakers and everything, is in the garage, but the panel in the closet here is where your anything Wi-Fi or cameras, security cameras, anything like that will be wired there. Okay, now let's go upstairs where we have 3 bedrooms. And hi, good, how are you? Good. All right. Okay, so same carpet is on the stairs, looks really nice. You do have a game room and a media room up here as well. And then this is kind of cool here. This is attic access. You walk in there, and straight ahead we have, this is the game room. And then the media room. Really big media room. I don't know if that's coming through on this video, but I think you guys are going to be pleased when you get here and see it in person. Over here we have a full bath and bedroom. Same carpet is up here. That's looks like it's throughout the home, so looks really nice. Okay, so this is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath home. So I misspoke before. There's 2 full bedrooms upstairs. 1 is downstairs that we already saw. So 2 bedrooms, 2 baths up here, and they're completely separated. So there. And this one's kind of cool. I think it's cool because there's no door to the shower, to the bathroom area. It's just kind of open. So this is the closet, which they'll put bars up and everything, hanging bars. But that's gonna be other attic access. You do have a nice window here. And then in this bathroom, it's really cool. I like the archway. And it also has a really nice long vanity and then separate shower, tub, and toilet. So that's really nice. Has kind of like a master feel in here. It's really pretty. So this is really coming together nicely. We are going to be closing pretty soon. So there's the entryway. And that gentleman leaving was the construction manager, guys. He's really nice, does a great job. And we're going to go check out the patio. Yeah, it's looking so pretty. I love when they get all the design finishes in. It's my favorite part. And they're working hard to get this house done for you guys. Awesome. And I really like these pendant lights. Those are fun. Very cool. And this is one of the largest patios I've seen. I mean, seems like everybody has a Texas-sized patio these days, but this one's really nice because aside from it being really large, it does come with a fan. It has this little area over here, which is perfect for a little kitchen area if you wanted to build that later on. So your gas line is right over here. But I like this because most patios, there would be a wall straight across here and you'd have to take away from the patio space in order to build an outdoor kitchen. But with this, you don't have to. And then you have a beautiful big yard that's got plenty of room for, a pool, play set, trampoline, whatever you want to put back here. It looks so great. Okay guys, so that wraps up the tour this week. It's coming along quickly and beautifully. I'm so impressed. I hope you guys are too. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. For those of you watching for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan and I work with LivingWell Realty, and I would love to help you with your new construction home in Collin County. So please give me a call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment via the link below. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.